Let's see how this scene was made. To create a number counter, first create a text layer, then go to the effects and apply a slider control. If you click on that little tick next to the text, you'll find a source text inside. We need to pick whip it to the slider control. Then keyframe the slider with the numbers you need. In my case, it's 0 at the start and 50 at the end. After that, you'll notice that there are numbers after a decimal point that we don't want to see. So go into expression and type Math.round in front of it. Also, I need a $sign before the number and 2 zeros after comma. I simply type named character before and after the expression respectively. They must have quotation marks on both sides and a plus sign. Add a little bounce to emphasize that the number hit the goal. I actually have 2 animated numbers here and a line that connects them. I move an entire pre-comp to create this timeline effect. Correct timing is the key here. Cute tiny accent graphics support the bounce and polish the look. What do you think? Give this video a like, it really helps with algorithms. I also have a video where I show 3 types of accent graphics. You may want to watch it too. See you next time. Take care.